pretty sure I broke something in the trans. So I guess, yeah, this is gonna be another video. Alright guys, welcome back. So, yeah, guess we're dropping a subframe today. On that. But look at my dog. Hey, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Whatever. I've done it two different ways as far as dropping the subframe. The first time I did it, I just unbolted the rack from the subframe. If it'll kind of brighten up. There we go, disco. So the first time I did it, I unbolted the rack from the power steering rack from the subframe and had it hanging. You had to strap it up. Turned into a pain in the ass. I didn't like it. So the second time I just unhooked it from the steering column and dropped the power steering rack and all in one piece. So that's the way we're going to do it today. So what you want to do is get up under here like so, and you see that cover. Just going to get our hand in there and yank it off. Normally it comes off easy, but since I'm recording, of course. Alright, so that's out the way. And what you want to do is turn the steering wheel. Oh, come on. Get your life together here, Brian. There's a button. And you gotta hit it one more time. Okay. What are we doing here? Oh, I don't have the key on me. That'll help. So key the car on. So you can turn the wheel, and what you want to do, once it focuses, you're going to turn the wheel till you have access to that nut. And that's it right there. You want to be able to get to this nut, right? Okay, so going back to this, you want to break that 10mm right here loose and take it off. Okay. Alright, so that comes out, and all you got to do is give this a little jiggle. Comes right out. Now the important part is you don't want to touch the wheel anymore after that, because you're going to mess up the clock spring. So wherever it sits, let it stay there. Alright, now that you got the axles out, you'll have pretty much the hub unbolted at the same time to get the axles out. So we have that. Alright, everything's disconnected. So all that leaves is the bolt. Oh shit. This bolt, there's 4 bolts. This one, Where is it? One right here. Probably can't see it too well, but let me see if I can get a better angle. Where'd it go? Okay. So we've got that one there. Same on the other side. Then right here and right there. But I got the W brace, so I'm gonna have to take that off first, and then the subframe can drop. And you also have to unclip. I don't know if I can you see it? Oh, having such a hard time. I don't know why. Okay, right here. Right there. That goes to your power steering, and you have to unhook those. I think it's 3 connections. Unhook those. And then we can get it on jack stand. Not on jack stands. We'll put a jack on the other side and drop it down. So you're also going to have to remove this splash guard right here before you drop the subframe. I mean, I don't think you have to, but it looks like it's going to get hung up, and I really can't remember if it does or not. So it's going to be 2 pop clips right there, same as the other side. And then you've got there'll be 2 10s, a couple pop clips down here, 2 10s on that side as well, and just pull straight out. And then let's see, I got to set up the jack on this side, and then I can undo the 4 bolts that hold the subframe in. I already unplugged the power steering, which is right here. It'll be 2 small clips in that big main clip. All you do is, there is a tab right here. If I can get my finger on it, push that tab down, that releases this white clip. You just push up, push away with it, and it pulls itself out. Then you can reach the 2 small plugs right there. Should be a white and a gray one. I already undid the rear bolts that are holding the W brace in. Now I just got to set up the jack, and then I can do the main ones that hold the subframe. Should be here, here, that one, and this one right here. Alright, let me go do that, and then we'll come back. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. And you've got the guide bolt here, and there's one on the opposite side. Now you don't have to take it out all the way, just loosen it up enough to where it'll let the subframe slide out, because you kind of use them as a guide to when you line it back up. So it's personal preference if you want to take it out. I leave them in, I just leave them loose, so it's easier to line the subframe back up when I bring it back up in the air. Okay, so all 4 bolts are out. The only thing holding the subframe up now are these 2 jacks. Unless you feel like dragging that heavy thing out, I'd probably suggest a creeper or something for it to roll on. Just position it in the middle. Like so. And this would be easier with 2 people, but you could do it by yourself. I did it before a couple times. All you're gonna do is ease one side down, then go around to the other, ease that down till it's on the creeper itself. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. And there you have it. That's your subframe out. Now all I gotta do is take all this stuff out of the way so I can actually reach the trans bolts and the mount. and then we can drop the trans. It's really hot outside. I mean, I'm not complaining because it's been like in the 20s, but it's kind of hot now. A little warm. Un poquito. Like, I don't know about this. I mean, he's having a good time. But yeah, that's how you drop the subframe. So hopefully this video was kind of helpful. I mean, I didn't time lapse anything because I honestly didn't feel like doing it. So, I mean, if you have any questions, just put them in the comment section. I get alerts on my phone, so I'll just answer. Like, I try to do my best to answer everything if somebody asks me a question. And yeah, let me get cracking on this, and there'll probably be another video on pulling the trans. Peace.